Hi, Lynn. When you open up your Gmail account, you need to go up here where it says Google Apps, click it. A menu drops and you select Gmail. I'm sorry, calendar. All right. Here you select the day and it shows you by the day and hour, week, month, year, and so on and so forth. So I prefer month. Then you go down here, and on your Gmail, you're going to have built-in 6. Okay. Up here, you select display this only, and it will display only this calendar. And you simply go to the date, add title and time, start typing. Let's say annual meeting. Okay, you save it. Okay, and then you click on it, and if you want to edit it, go to it, and now you have more details. If it is going to be all day or not. If not, you unclick it, you select the time. Okay, it starts and ends. Okay. And then spend a little bit of time understanding the rest of the options, and it's pretty straightforward. Okay, and you click whatever changes you make sure you click save. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know.